We are spraying the final alcohol, 90% alcohol. We're in Sun City, Arizona, finishing it for the snowbirds of Kansas City. I'm going to spray the alcohol, add a little bit of effects to this, and you'll see it as it starts webbing right before your eyes. You can look right there, it just started webbing. So we're going to spray a little bit of this, and we are good to go. It is beautiful. This was all dirty pores. We're going to spray this one over here a little bit, add some detail to it, and we are done. And that's it. So as we said before, started out with a kind of a fake granite top. We took a tan, painted it tan. We did copper, brown, gold, white, and khaki. And we did dirty pores throughout. This is about 4 or 5 different little dirty pores together. We sprayed it with alcohol, and we're done. So this actually folds down. So once this actually dries, we will fold this down. As you can see, the little hinge here. So when people walk in, they can see this edge of the counter also. But this is absolutely beautiful. You should see it in person. So as you can see, I'm sorry, Eric's trying to point out to me. As you can see, it'll go with the grain here. And also, if you look over here, it goes down with the grain also, so you'll see it. So it's really, really pretty in person. So anybody else in Arizona that wants us to come by and do their counters, let us know. We'll definitely come out here and visit some more snowbirds. My website is She-poxy.com. Once again, Jody and Eric, we're signing off. We'll be in KC. I heard it's cold. It's going to get even colder. So we're really looking forward to going back to Kansas City. Take care, everybody. Have a good night. Thank you.